7th Standard English Term 2 Unit 1 Poem 1 The Poem of Adventure. So now we are going to see about a poem of adventure. What is the meaning of adventure? Adventure is nothing but saga sangal. So more adventures are there, you can see in this picture. So mountain climbing, like this somewhat something, some more pictures are there, you can see. So these are all adventures only. So shall we go for the poem now? Deep inside the mountain, the adventures hide themselves. They are of all forms and shapes. They all have an excellent ending because those that live their lives in adventures see the world in an extraordinary special way. So, deep inside the mountain, adventures hide themselves. They are of all forms and shapes. So, in the deep inside the mountain, more adventures are hiding. So, it can be of any forms and shapes. They have an excellent ending. So, most of the adventurous things, everything will be in a excellent ending because those that live their lives in adventure see the world in an extraordinary special way. Those like, so you can see the above picture I have shown you before. So, in those you can see, so the people want to live in those ways will see the world in always in an extraordinary way only. They will not live a normal life and they will not see the life in a normal way. So they will always see the world in an extraordinary way only. To attract the adventures into the patterns of habit, you only need to close your eyes and ask them to embrace you. So, to attract the adventures, if you want to attract them, you have to do nothing but you have to close your eyes and you have to embrace those people. You can only imagine that you are transparent and feel the wind stream through you instead of going against you. So, instead of going against you, you can close your eyes and you can feel the wind going. You can feel that the wind is blowing and you can feel yourself as a transparently. You are not seen there. You feel as you are transparent. You are not standing there, but you are feeling the wind. It is flowing against you. Or imagine there are tiny little wings on your back and every time you take a few steps, you bounce a bit. Or you can also imagine that you can think that small wings are there in your back and every time when you have a few steps, small steps, if you walk, you can think that you can bouncing like how a butterfly will fly. Well, small bounce starting, it will have bounce means what? Small jumps. It is bouncing and going and then it starts to fly. You can think like that. Small bounce first you are having and you are having a wing and you are flying. You can think like that. Maybe life itself is one big adventure if only you have the correct shades on. First of all, living a normal life in this situation itself is a big adventure. If you have a correct shade, if a correct shade means proper way only, you can live a normal life nowadays. Back in the days of old, when knights were bold, who with a sword or lance in armor sought romance. So in this lines they have telling that back in the days of old when knights were bold, who with a sword or lance in armor sought romance. So in the olden days when knights were, so before itself we have seen one last class we have seen one adventures of Don Quixote. So they were saying about the knight squares and all we are seeing. So similar to this only this poem also. So these lines after these lines will be like similar only. Back in the days of old when knights were bold, with the sword or lance in armor sought romance. So in the old days when knights all the knights were bold, they will be having a sword or lance. Sword means like one small big knife and lance means it is like a ET. Sword means wall. Lance means ET. In armor sought romance. It was the age of chivalry, long ago in man's history, when to fight a righteous cause, one did again considerable applause. So in the age of chivalry, long ago, in the man's history itself, it is very right to fight because they are not going to fight simply. So in the those knights were fighting for the right purpose only, to safeguard the country only. Those people were fighting. One did again considerable applause. So if somebody is doing something correct means we have to applaud them. It was mainly for show, love and glory. They deemed themselves being worthy to capture the heart of some fair maiden, which was the most desired prize laden. Oh, they would strike heavy blows on all of their opponents and foes in a one-to-one combat, defying death as cowards watched with abated breath. So they are telling it was mainly for show, love and glory. They deemed themselves being worthy to capture the heart of some fair maiden, which was the most desired prize laden. So they are telling it is nothing to show. If they are the nice means, they are not going to, they are not the heartless people. They are also having family, everything, everybody. So because we people have to be safeguarded in the we have to live a happy life. They are fighting against the enemies. So we can't tell that they don't have any love anything. They are showing it was mainly for show, love, glory, and they deemed themselves being worthy to capture the heart of some fair maiden, which was the most desired prize laden. If you show everything, love, glory, and everything, it is the biggest prize for them. Oh, they would strike heavy blows on all of their opponent and foes in a one-to-one combat, defying death as cowards watched with abated breath. So they are telling when they are fighting with the other enemies, opponent parties, either they can live or they can die. But we must not feel covered to fight. We must be brave and fight. So they are telling cowards watched abated breath. We must not breathe the coward's life. We must be very brave, they are telling. Yes, it was far back in those days of yore that courage and strength came to fore, where there was this life and death struggle, such issue at the hands of knight would juggle. So in those days it is very difficult, because in one family one will be going for the army and they have to live those life only. So it is both life and death will be there, and it is very difficult to live their life. And in fighting for their country, faith and king, noble impressions on people's mind would ring, that even through the ages are held in high esteem. Those knights in shining armor do now all seem. While fighting for the country, faith, king, and noble impressions on people's mind would ring. So people will think they must be very faith. They can fight for. Then only they can fight for our country. That even through the ages are held in high esteem. Those knights in shining armor do now all seem. So they are seeing the shining armor. Those knights were very bold and doing everything, and they are not feeling for anything, and they are giving their whole lives for the country. There are many legends based on their heroic exploits, a legacy of tales which have been told with much adroit, highlighting aspects of human wisdom related to virtue and vice, and the lessons to be learnt are those of goodness and sacrifice. So the legends, more legends will be there in the army. They are everybody or heroic exploits, a legacy of tales which had been told with much adroit. So everybody are heroes only, those who are fighting for our country. The human wisdom related to virtue and vice. So plus and minus, everything is there, good and bad, everything is there. We have goodness, and the lessons to be learnt are those of goodness and sacrifice. We have to learn the goodness and the sacrificing heart of those knights. History usually repeats itself time and again, as it often happens. A situation comes when we are asked to do something for a just case, and acting with chivalry we shouldn't pass. So history usually repeats itself time and again. So history means what? Only the past, whichever is held before, it is telling. Situation comes when we are asked to do something just a cause, and acting with chivalry we shouldn't pass. So history, we can't after happening we can't say that this has happened, that had happened, now we can't change anything. So history is past only, we can't pass and do anything. So children, now it is written by